You will be surprised. Look. Oh my god, look at that. It is. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Feline, and if you're new, welcome to my channel, and welcome back to all my wonderful friends that follow my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Yay! So I just decided to do a unboxing haul. Look at that. It's a little bit heavy, so yay, today we're gonna unbox these 3 boxes, and this is a surprise. Yay. So I am going to put this I have to put it down like this. Whoops. Okay, so I am wearing my very own product. I haven't listed this one yet, so I'm the model of my product. Okay, yay. So it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Indeed it is. Okay. So first box is, so this is, I want you to experience of course, the unboxing that I do. So it's, yay, look at that. So this is, okay, ta-da, from Coach, right. Oh my goodness, just hang on, let me throw this one away. So this is okay, Annabelle. This is called Annabelle leather shoes. Why would I say that right away? I said it is a surprise. Okay, and they packed it pretty well. Okay, so chan. Voila. Okay. It looks like a butterfly, but it is not. It is a bow tie. And the other one is this. So this is a Valet flat coat shoes. See, I'm not going to remove this from here because I just want to have this structural hold on. So by the way, this is size 9.5. Yes, there. And you can buy this in my Mercari. So this is actually like a vlog sale, unboxing haul, and vlog sale. Yes. So as you can see, so this is the inner of the sole. It's really pretty nice, and this is like this one. So this size 9.5. So I got this on sale, and don't worry, I am going to sell it to you for a good price. Yes. So this is done. So I leave it like that. I am not going to remove it because, and then let's go to the second one. So the second box we are gonna see. So I have not done a lot of my haul for my Mercari. By the way, you can find this in my Mercari. Oops. Okay. Throw that away. Okay. Throw that. And voila! This one is, hang on. This one doesn't come in the box, but look at that. As you can see by its structure. Oh my goodness. I am crazy, you know guys. I am super crazy. So this is probably the second one that I bought in a Coach outlet. There you go. So it is. Wow, they packed it pretty good. All right, bear with me. So I want you also to experience the unboxing that I do. So bear with me. There. So, okay. It comes with their strap. And these have comparable value of $428. So this is what we call the Lily carry-all, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yeah, it's Lily. So this big it is. So I choose black because you know black is very classic and universal. So you can wear it with any clothes, so you can wear it like that. So like this. So it is not super big, as you can see. Let me see the measurement. So this is a Lily carry-all. Yes, I've said that. Okay, and it's black, and I don't know what to say anymore. This is very nice and very it's covered pretty nice. So let us see. There is a zipper in the middle, which is if you have your wallet and all, you can put it in the middle to make it secure, and some other pockets. So these are 3 compartments. There you go. So I will be listing this in my Mercari, and you can see it there. Don't worry, I will price it pretty good. Okay, so this one, I think I have to wrap it again. Or since we are doing to do unboxing, let's get the other one. I don't know why it's bigger. I have no idea. I forgot what I bought. Okay, the last but not the least is the third box we're going to unbox. You know what, guys? I'm having kind of hard time doing this one because okay, you will be surprised. Look. Oh my god, look at that. It is so the box, the very big back, so this a big box. The inside is probably just one pair of shoes. And the shoes, one shoes is outside. Can you see it? Oh my goodness. So let me get this one. There is the same, but this one is, the other one is size 9.5, and I believe I ordered this for size 9 because if I like it, then I'll just wear it myself. Nowadays, I'm loving the flats. So I've been wearing loafers lately. I don't know, I'm just getting old, and every time when I go somewhere, I like to wear flats. And bam! There is another one. And because they put it in the big box and they don't put the fillers in it, so the shoes went outside a box, and it's crazy. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying. All right, so this is, of course, the Annabelle Ballet shoes, it says. So this is the Annabelle Ballet shoes, as you can see. There we go. So all those 3 boxes only have 3 items in it. So there you go. And then you can find it in my Mercari. I will be posting this in my Mercari. By the time you see this video, probably this is already in my Mercari. I will be posting it today. So since I have filed up my videos upload, so I will do my best to show this. So I want you to see a closer look for this, just like the other ones. So at least if you want to buy this from my Mercari, you have the idea and a closer look in the details for this shoes, the Bali shoes, flats. It's so cute. Okay, so that is all for today. I thank you very much for watching my video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to follow me in my Finding Good Deals and Review in my FB page, I post my videos there. I post some great deals from Amazon as well. And yay, and subscribe in my channel, and of course follow me in my Mercari. In my Mercari, you can, if you cannot buy it in outlet or online store in that price, or you run out of sizes, you can come to my Mercari and buy it from my Mercari. Yay! Thank you so much for watching. This is Feline, and I'll see you, wonderful friends, wonderful people. I see you next time. Bye bye.